Hey guys, Dion from DionVideoProductions here, and in this video we're going to be comparing wired to wireless charging. Let's get started. So my first phone was a Nokia brick phone, and from this I've been through various BlackBerry phones and I've been with iPhones ever since. So what does this mean? Well, this means that the iPhone X is actually my first phone that is wireless charge enabled. So for this video I've picked up a wireless charger from Mophie and I'm going to be comparing it to the standard charger that comes with your iPhone to see which is better, wired or wireless. Let's get started. So let's go ahead and get right on into this with the unboxing. So I've picked this Mophie charger up from an Apple store, and as you can see, this has Apple inspired packaging. Now this particular charger is compatible with the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and of course the 10. So the first thing we see when we slide open the box is the wireless charger base itself. And beneath this we have the instruction manual, and finally the brick and cable. So the wireless charging base is slightly weighted and has rubber feet on the top and bottom, meaning that your phone shouldn't slide off. Now this does use a proprietary cable for power, however when this is plugged in it does sit flush with the round base, so this looks quite nice. Now the included power brick is slightly larger compared to the one that is included with your iPhone, and it's also important to note that the cable is not detachable. So let's go ahead and test this out. Now as you can see, this works just fine. You simply place your phone on top and it will charge. Now this will also work well with Apple's silicone case and a third-party clear case, as you can see here. If you guys want to learn more about this particular case, I'll have a video linked down below. Now it is worth sharing that the phone does need to be placed on the center of the charging base. If you place it a little bit too high or too low, your phone will not charge. So let's take a look at charge times and performance. Now the included charger with your phone is 5 watts and the wireless charger supports up to 7.5 watts. However, this does not necessarily mean that it will charge more quickly. In fact, my testing shows that the wired charger is much quicker at charging. After 1 hour of charge time, Apple's charger brought the phone up to 51%, while the wireless charger only brought it to 38%. So to conclude, when I'll be traveling, I'll be bringing my wired setup. It is simply more convenient and more portable, not to mention the faster charge time. However, when I'm at home, I will be using my wireless charger. It is so convenient to be able to simply place the phone on and it will charge, particularly when using it at a nightstand where the slower charge time won't matter as it will be charging overnight. So to conclude, this is a really cool technology, and I definitely think that wireless is the future, not just for charging, but for technology in general. And eventually I think this will evolve to a point where we can simply walk into a room and your phone will automatically charge. However, for the time being, and with the technology that we currently have, I'll be utilizing both wired and wireless charging depending on my day and what I'll be doing. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like down below and also comment if you have any questions or feedback. And also subscribe for more content like this. Thank you very much for watching.